Did you know that chocolate can actually help suppress your cough? Chocolate contains theobromine, a natural compound that has been scientifically proven to be more effective than many traditional cough syrups. It helps relax the vagus nerve, which triggers coughing. So instead of reaching for that bitter medicine, try letting a piece of dark chocolate slowly melt in your mouth. It coats your throat and helps soothe the irritation. Who knew that treating a cough could be this delicious? Would you try this the next time you have a cough? Let me know in the comments.